Hi, to play music on your Google Pixel Watch free, as a first step, make sure that you got installed either YouTube Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, something like that. I'm gonna show you this on the example of Spotify. So let's press this crown. And if you wanna use Spotify as well, then you need to go in Play Store on your watch. Here tap on the search bar and manually find Spotify and then install it. And also, of course, make sure that Spotify is installed on your phone and that you signed in your account right here. If you wanna download songs, then you'll need to buy premium version, but I'm gonna show you this without premium. So now we need to open this app. I'm gonna find it in the list, open, and if you wanna listen music directly on your watch, then you would need to connect your Bluetooth earbuds. In my case, I connected those earpods. So to listen to music directly from watch, I need to open Spotify, find song, and then tap this play button. And everything is working just fine. Also, you can tap here and make sure to switch from your phone to this watch. And then you'll be able to listen through your watch actually. So you need to connect your earbuds and everything is working just fine. So always tap this watch icon and select your watch as an output if you want to listen music directly through your watch. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.